Hey, what's up guys? We have just one day to go before Samsung officially takes the wraps off of its next generation Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus smartphones. So naturally, the most revealing photos we have ever seen of the two unreleased flagship smartphones just leaked. Big name smartphone makers always have trouble keeping the lid on their unreleased products. We have seen the renders, we have seen the mockups, we have seen leaked photographs of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, but we have never seen Samsung's new flagship phones quite like this. The wait for Samsung to unveil its new Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus flagships is about 24 hours now. Despite the short amount of time we have left to wait, a flurry of photos hits Instagram to show the world what Samsung's new flagship smartphone looks like in the wild. Most of the photos were posted by an Instagram user with the handle VNASWord. This appeared to be an anonymous account created slowly to share these leaked photos of a Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. With everything we have seen and everything we know at this point, we are more than confident enough to say that these photos are the real deal, giving us a clear view of both Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus while they are powered on. A second anonymous Instagram account posted another photo of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, this time showing the backs of the phone in three different colors. This particular photo was later removed and the account was deleted. Samsung will officially announce its new Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus smartphone on Sunday during a press conference at Mobile World Congress MWC 2018 trade show in Barcelona, Spain. The phones are expected to be available for pre-order in the beginning of March 2nd, ahead of their release on Friday, March 16th. Both phones are expected to be priced higher than their predecessors at launch, but Samsung is rumored to have a pre-order promotion in place that will save buyers up to $350 when they trade in a qualifying smartphone.